Okay, that was the spring on the artifact. Now the artifact is off. We're going to go through some of the different algorithms that we've been working on with the R1. You just heard the spring on its own. Now we're going to a nice large hall sound that we've built. Okay, next up is one using the algorithm big fucking reverb here, which we did our best to try and make sound oceanic. This is our idea of something that is deep in or under or close to the scene. Let's see how it sounds live in the studio. Okay, think we did pretty well capturing something oceanic there, and adding some swell and taking the dry signal out really makes it something quite special, I think, there. I'm sure we can find a use for that. So going on now, we've got another one that uses a swell, and this one is the air mode, which has got like a shimmer to it. So let's see if we can get this right. Hold on, we got this one a little wrong. This is a short air one, designed as like an after effect. Okay, very nice. Now we go to the air that is longer, I believe, and this one has the swell. Okay, lovely stuff there. Again, taking out the dry signal, cranking up that swell. There was a bit of swell on there already, I believe, but yes, beautiful stuff. One more algorithm that we want to show off, and that is a glitch one that we've been working on. And here it is. I would say that's definitely a keeper. We also plan to do like a short glitch, the same way we had that short air earlier. For a little bit of fun, since we seem to have a short amount of time left, let's add in the fable. So here it is, without anything extra. Now, double glitch. Yeah, I feel that's a good place to finish for now. Very satisfying to dive into some of this stuff, and thank you for sticking around. I hope it's been as interesting and enjoyable for you as it has been for us. And until the next time, take care.